Mazda has discharged a mystery pick of the 2019 Mazda 3, which affirms the vehicle will be offered, as previously, as a customary hatchback and as a fastback with a bigger boot. The vehicle will be disclosed on 28th of November at the LA Motor Show. Continue perusing at the vehicle's cost, specs and discharge date. Just like the path with these things, the most recent official statement from Mazda doesn't disclose to us much. However, the image reveals that the back of the 2019 Mazda 3 remains amazingly unwavering to the Mazda 3 idea, underneath, that was appeared at the Tokyo Engine Appear in 2017. The new Mazda 3 isn't probably going to set you back substantially more than the current model that retails for £18,000 for a fundamental hatchback and £20,000 for the bigger Mazda 3 fastback. The spreads will be pulled off the vehicle at the LA Motor Show on 28th of November, and it is relied upon to go discounted in mid-2019. The new 2019 Mazda 3 will pick up a lot of tech, most prominently a gigantic, potentially full-width infotainment screen, leaving not very many catches on the middle support. The entire vehicle will get a more premium feel to contend with any semblance of the Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Class, so expect a lot of cowhide and delicate touch plastics to run with dashes of metal trim all through the lot.